Hello everyone, my name is Lim Wei Hao and I'm from Group 70 and now I'm going to teach you guys how to use Google Map. Okay, the Google Map is one of the features that provided by Google company that let us to search, explore and find a way around the world. Okay, definitely we can use the Google Map feature on every device that can access to the Wi-Fi, which is computer, phone or tablet, and we have one device called GPS that also can access to the Google Map feature. Okay, first, I want to teach you guys how to set home or work address for the website. Okay, when we go to the website of the Google Map, we will see the menu button on the as I circle. Then when we click on it, it will show a menu that let us to. They got many feature that provided by Google Maps. So we will click on your place. Okay, the interface will show two icons which represent home and work. So now we want to set up the home address, then we click on the home. Then it will appear a text box to ask you to fill in the address as your default home address. Then when every time you want to use it, then it will direct you to the place, the default address that you set up. Okay, if you one day you move or something else, you can remove the home address, then it will become you can set up another home address to go. Okay, this is for the mobile side. The Google Maps set out the home or work address. Okay, it is different from the website. Okay, now we will click on the label and select the address that you want to enter. Now we enter the home address, then we click on it. The interface will be like this, and you choose address from map, then it will detect your place and it will set it as your default address as your home. Then we can click the edit home address to edit or have some change on the address. Okay, now I'm gonna to teach you the main feature of the Google Maps, which is search location. Okay, for example, okay, we have two methods. For example, now you're going for a travel, okay, but you don't know where to go or which is the best place to go. Okay, then we can use the other side, which is if you want to go grocery, restaurant, takeout or hotels, but you don't know where to go, you can click on it, the icon, then it will suggest the best result near you and the most rating result to you. Or you can enter the address directly. If you know the address or the shop name, then you can enter into the text box. Okay, when you click on the shop, it will display the information of the shop, such as contact number, website, the working hour, and the address, and the reviews from the Google user. Okay, now I will gonna to teach you about the tips for searching. It is very some example on search on Google Map. Okay, for specific business such as Starbucks, McDonald's, KFC. But if you love it but you don't know where got the business, you can enter the name. Then the Google Map will display the business around you. Okay, beside, okay, we have type of place. Okay, which is when you now are located in a Central Park and you want to get a cup of coffee, then you can enter coffee near Central Park and it will show you the shop that have coffee for you. Okay, then narrow your result by using the city and state. Okay, we get to know that everywhere got the coffee shop, right? So when you allocate and some specific place such as Johor, okay, you can enter coffee shop in Johor. Then you only show the result in Johor that show coffee. Okay, then you can also enter the exactly address of the shop. Okay, this is the example or shop name of the shop. Then you can also direct you to the exactly place. You can also use the extra feature like after you sign in to the Google Maps, then you can get the suggested or the place that from your friend, okay, in your Shoot contacts. Okay, website, you can get direction for driving, public transit, walking or biking on Google Maps. Based on your choice, it will display different route. Okay, now you can select the vehicle to the destination. The Google Map will detect on itself where to go. You can choose like motorcycle, on foot or on car. Okay, the different vehicle will display different route. This is the example. The car need to take 7 minutes, but the motorcycle need to take 6 minutes. But for on foot need to take around 1 hour. It was the different result and the different route we will display. Okay. News verification in Google Maps app in mobile. The mobile will very better to if compare with the website because it have voice navigation. You will hear traffic alert this was very busy traffic, or you will have where to turn like 200 meter and you need to turn left, and you will have mobile voice navigation because when we driving and we cannot see the phone, so it will have the voice navigation to help you or to on the route on the travel that you're having. Okay, that's all from my. Thank you. I hope you guys understand how to use Google Map. If any problem, you may feel free to contact us.